We'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox photo album. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, click on the Files tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. This will show you all the files you have stored in Dropbox. Now, to create a photo album, you need to create a new folder. Click on the New Folder button, usually found in the upper right corner. Name your folder something like Vacation Photos or Family Album to keep things organized. After creating your folder, you need to upload your photos. To do this, open the folder you just created. Then, click the Upload button and select Files. You can choose multiple photos at once by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while selecting the files. Once you've selected your photos, click Open to start the upload process. After the upload is complete, you'll see all your photos neatly organized within the folder. If you want to share this album with friends or family, you can easily do so. Just open the folder and click on the Share button. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with or copy the link to send it via other means. You can set permissions for each person, allowing them to edit or just view the photos. This way, you have full control over who can see and modify your album. That's it. You've successfully created a photo album in Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.